Alrighty, you ready?
Not quite. I'm gonna zip up and then I'm gonna let my goggles defog for a sec. They're not too bad though, so it should only take about 20 seconds. All right, so fly your line whenever you break off from the waterfall. Don't break off too far right. And then we're gonna try and land in that big cut field right there.
Where? Okay.
The main cut one on this side of
the house.
on this side of the pathway with all the green things. Okay, I'm looking good. My cameras are on. You're looking good. Okay.
You ready?
I am ready whenever you're ready.
All right.
Give me a nice count.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Take it. Not bad. Fuck yeah, Luca. We got power lines. Nice. Yoo-hoo! Yeah, buddy. Yeah! Let's go! Yeah, doggy, there we are. Let's go. Oh, sick. Nice flight.